What we have here is a guy who and smashed his car. Really bad. Oh, he hit this thing, or this thing hit him. Somebody hit something. Look at this one over here. What's up, Squids? Welcome back to the channel. So I just got off the phone with Scott Powersport Inc. and they have the 2023 Kawasaki Ninja 400 in stock, and I'm headed over here to check it out right now. Unfortunately, they only have one in stock, and that is the black one, the black one with the green on it, and that's what they told me they have. So I'm headed over here to check it out. Now what I will do, there will be two versions of this video. There will be the long one where I usually do my cinematics and and then there will be the short to the point one for the people who are just interested in the bike, nothing else, none of my shenanigans or anything. So this is the long one you're watching right now, and I'll post the link will be in the description, and the title of this video will be long version. The title of the other video will be short version. So I gotta get some fuel. She's pretty low. So I'm gonna go get some fuel right now, and then we are going to head over there. So if you are a long-term subscriber or a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. I am Bull Moto, and I make dumb home movies around motorcycles. That would include how-to videos, walk-around videos, regular vlogs, installs, all that good stuff about motorcycles, some test rides, and practice videos like how to do figure eights, all that good stuff. So welcome to the channel. If you like what you see here, you can smash that like button or that subscribe button for more videos. I plan on having some more walk around videos coming soon as the 2023 bikes come out. I'll try to head to the dealerships to do some walk arounds. So you're welcome to subscribe for those kind of videos, that kind of content, if that is the kind of content you're interested in. If you're interested in just regular vlogs, I do that as well. There will be a playlist at the end of this video. You can go check those out. And thanks for hanging around, guys. And thanks for those long-term subscribers. Thanks for putting up with my shenanigans for as long as you have. Now let me go get some fuel, and we're gonna run a little cinematic over this. It's gonna be short because the fuel station is right here. So I will see you when I get to Scott's, guys. Now let's see if I can make it to this place without dying on this road, without getting hit by something. Well guys, we made it to Scott Powersport Inc. Let's sort of head over in here and check out this bike. I guess we park right here. Okay guys, we are here, but before we get started, I want to give a special thanks to Scott Powersport Inc. of Coopersburg, PA for allowing us again to come in and check out these bikes. They have a wide variety of bikes here: Benelli, Kawasaki, KTM, Yamaha, Suzuki. a wide variety of bikes here. If you are in the Quakertown area, I encourage you to come out and check these guys out before you shop anywhere else. So let's check out these bikes. Okay guys, let's go ahead and take a look at this bike, and first we're going to start off with the engine. So this is a 400cc 4-stroke twin parallel liquid cooled engine with 32mm dual throttle bodies and a 6-speed transmission, and is also chain driven. Now let's take a look at the wheels. Now the bike carries 17-inch wheels both in the front and in the rear. Let's continue on with the brakes. The front brakes are single 310mm semi-floating discs with 2 piston calipers in the front, with a 220mm single disc in the rear and 1 single piston, and they're both sporting ABS. The front forks are 41mm hydraulic telescoping forks, and the rear are horizontal backlink with adjustable spring preload. Now let's talk about seat height. The seat height of this bike is 30.9 inches. I am 5'10" with a 32-inch inseam, and you can see how this bike fits me. I have a slight bend in my knee, both feet are on the ground, and I can stretch my feet out. I can sit upright on this bike, or I can crouch a little, but this bike is more of an upright seating posture. The curb weight of this bike comes in at 366 pounds with ABS and 361.6 pounds with non-ABS, and a fuel capacity of 3.7 gallons. The ground clearance on this bike is 5.5 inches with a rake of 24.7 degrees and a trail of 3.6 inches. Okay guys, let's talk about the dash for a minute. This dash comes with a gear indicator, 2 neutral indicators, a clock, water temperature, oil temperature, check engine light miles per gallon, and a fuel gauge. This bike also redlines at 15,000 RPMs. The bike comes with regular halogen turn signals, but the back brake and front headlights are LEDs. Guys, please keep in mind this is the EX model, the basic model, and doesn't come with any special features like cruise control, traction control, rider modes, or key fob. This is just your basic model. This bike comes in 3 different colors: Pearl Blizzard White with metallic carbon gray, metallic magnet dark gray with metallic matte twilight blue, and matrix camel gray with metallic matte carbon gray. The MSRP on this bike with non-ABS is $5,299 and with ABS is $5,699. Guys, please remember this bike has a destination charge of $435 and a freight and material surcharge of $300. There may also be dock fees and prep fees depending on the dealership you go to. Okay guys, that is it for the bike. It's time to pack up my gear and head out of here. Alright guys, we just took a look at the 400 and it is time to go. It looks like a pretty nice bike. It's not too tall. And you guys know what height I am already. I'm 5'10". Alright, let's get out of Dodge. Time to go home. Upload this video. Sorry. Time to go home. Edit this video and get it uploaded to the YouTubes. Here we go, boys. Well guys, I'm trying to do more of these videos, more of these walk around videos. So if you enjoyed this one, smash that like button. If you care to drop a comment down below, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos, all that good YouTube stuff. So I'm gonna wrap it up here. Not gonna make it any longer, not gonna bore you guys any longer. So do me a favor guys, keep your eyes on the swivel, keep the sticky side down, the shiny side up, and guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace!